Okay, so now I'm using the mask again. I'm going to open up the transcript and not bothering with the other masks anymore. The other one because it doesn't really help at all. If I speak really quickly, will this be able to keep up with what I'm saying? It's not too bad, actually. And if I speak a little bit of a French accent, do you think you will understand me? Not bad, huh? Yeah, so good. I say this is a success. Okay, so now I'm down in the classroom podium in, am I in 011? I think I'm in 011, 505, 011. And I'm using the microphone in the camera, and you can see me on the camera there, and I've got my transcript running. Now I've taken off my mask. I would say I'm easily 2 meters away from the nearest student. I'm putting on my see-through mask. Now the lighting in here is much better, so you can see my mouth more, but I'm not entirely sure it's a useful view of my mouth. For example, can one read my lips when I'm talking like this? And if I'm naturally looking down at my lectern, you can't even see my mouth at all. Now, if I do that, you can see it more, but now my mask is fogging up. So this mask is really kind of useless. But there you go. Meniscus, proboscis, superior vena cava, aqueous humor, vitreous humor, tarsals, metatarsals, phalanges. Sorry, carpals, metacarpals. Carpals, metacarpals, phalanges. Very, very gay, super comprehensive, super colorful, and my glasses never ever fog up. I'm now going to switch to a clear mask, and you can hear me talking without a mask whatsoever. I'll have to take my glasses to do this. So this mask is a bit fiddly. So this is me wearing the clear mask. I don't know if you can hear me as well or not. You can ostensibly see my mouth. I don't know if it's actually a helpful amount of mouth that you can see when I'm talking through the mask. It's okay when you're in person, but it's not massively an improvement. And the next thing I want to do is turn on live transcript. Now I will open the window. So I'm showing the full transcript now, and let's see how it's picking up my voice through the mask. Actually, it's picking up really well. So if someone is actually attending a webinar of mine, or they're in the classroom, this is up on the screen. Doesn't really make it any bigger, but I could. Now I take the mask off, and it's still having no problems whatsoever with me in the transcription. Let's try some significantly complex language. Triskaidekaphobia, onomatopoeia, omphaloskepsis, vituperative, tabula rasa, gluteus maximus, meniscus, proboscis, promiscuous. What else? What else? Je ne suis pas français. Est-ce que c'est pas possible à traduire les langues parce que c'est la langue dans mon Zoom est anglais? Je peux t'imaginer avec ce qu'on a tout, qu'on a je is canarach mee.